you are thinking to buy some active PA speakers from Thomann, and for that reason you will need some advice. I have 6 of them, actually 4 speakers and 2 subwoofers. That's the DSP, the 10-inch version. Is an active speaker. It has plenty of power, but it's missing the bass. It doesn't have any bass. Because I have also the 15-inch version of it, and the 15-inch version has a lot of bass. I think it has even more bass than these 12-inch subwoofers. But the 10-inch version, it doesn't have any bass. So I have 2 of them, and I got them mostly for some house parties that I can't use any bass and don't need any sub, mostly for karaoke and mainly for vocals or as a booth setup on my sets. So let's talk about the subwoofer now. This subwoofer is a 12-inch subwoofer. I got it as a B-stock from Thomann. It sounds okay, it sounds decent. I will not say it sounds perfect, but for the money that I got it, I think it sounds okay. It doesn't have a lot of bass. You know, it's not a monster bass like the 18-inch subwoofers or like the 15-inch subwoofers. It's a 12-inch subwoofer. But the main question is, can I use it for some parties? I think of course you can use it. You will not get something very loud, but you will have some sub bass by using the subwoofer. In my opinion, it's just for some bars, some places that you drink your coffee, because it has a very smooth taste of bass. It's not something like a strong punch. It has the sweet type of bass, which you feel it and yeah, you're relaxing. If you are looking for an EDM party, I think you will need at least 4 of them. Even with 2 of them you are okay, but as I said again, it's a 12-inch subwoofer. Don't expect a lot of things to happen. If you have the budget and you want something stronger than this, on the 12-inch side and on very similar weight, I think you have to go for the Pirit sub from Thomann. Very similar, but it's more powerful than this subwoofer. The biggest problem with this subwoofer is that it doesn't have a lot of loudness. It's missing the loudness, so I don't think you can use it outdoors. It's only for indoor use, only for places that you need some very balanced sound. So if you just need a subwoofer, I think it's okay. If you are planning to use it for home use, I think it's okay. If you are planning to use it for some small parties, up to 100 people, I think it's okay. With 2 of these, it will be perfect. Even more perfect. If I can suggest them for outdoors, I think you will need plenty of them. At least 4 of them. Now, let me talk about the quality. The quality is perfect. I don't have anything to say. Everything seems fine, good, and I have tested them. I have tried to go on the maximum volume. Everything fine, no problems at all. Now let's check how these 2 sound. On the video I'm using just 1 sub and just 1 speaker. And if you are asking me which sub I'm using the middle one. I'm not using the sub on the ground. For that reason you will hear more clear bass than having the ground one, which is giving a lot of hertz on the whole room.